Yes, yo, it's J. Will, and we're watching Life Minute TV.
So I learned about Rob through Jeff Hobbs' book, his roommate at Yale. For me, it was like there were so many things that things that I hadn't articulated. These ideas about the intersection of race and housing, criminal justice, education, just how Rob, his commitment to family and community, having this major impact on his life, even at the same time as all of the kind of conventional things that we think of as successful, him going to Yale and doing, being an incredibly gifted student in molecular biophysics and biochemistry. There's so much in this story that is hopeful, and I think understanding Rob and Rob's journey is the first step on really understanding what it means for somebody in this context to be and perform in such a heroic way, understanding the way that he tries to do the best for all of the different people in his life. And I think that's what you come away from. And the empathy with which he tells the story of his roommate at Yale and the passion and dedication into making that, and sort of starting to picking up the breadcrumbs that Jeff Hobbs left with the book. And that inspired me.
I just took on the responsibility of just honoring the foundations and the real codes of my personal inspiration of wanting to do this in the first place. I felt like that was a step one, just to feel the old energy of it all, but I wanted to honor that, and I think that was an important thing. It was a masterclass every day. Chiwetel knew what to do and what to say just to get that thing going. Like, the little nuances and the things he did, the little icon, it's crazy. It made me really feel things. Mary, she just brought the real soul with it, and I think we needed that. Somebody who had, real experience. We all have a real lived experience, and I think just the bottom line is just bringing that into the workspace.